Most people don't know this, but you can actually use Midjourney for free. How you can do it? Really easy. First of all, Midjourney is the best image AI generator that exists. You can even copy styles. So what you have to do is go on meta.ai. The Meta sign a deal with a Midjourney. So they basically have a partnership. And what this means is you go to meta.ai. Here you can create any image. You can even create videos, because on Midjourney you can create videos. You can create 9x16, 16x9, or 1:1. You can even upload the first frame or the image to turn it into a video. So how you can do it? Really easy. You can just write any prompt, but I will show you that this is actually Midjourney. So for example, let's take this dog. Here you can see we have the ref. So let's just use this prompt. Copy and paste, and let's paste this right here and send. And here are the results. If you click on the image, you will see basically the same texture, the same dog, everything the same. The quality may be a little bit lower, but again, you can create unlimited generations. Just basically write the same prompt and just make another one, and you can make as many as you want until you get something that you like. And if you want to create a specific style images, you can even search on X, on Twitter. Here you can see, and what you have to do, you just have to copy this ref, which means a style reference. You can even create images in different styles. You go to Midjourney, explore styles, and what you have to do, just choose any style you like. So for example, I will choose this one. So here is the ref code. Let's just copy and let's write a prompt. For example, image of a man standing next to McDonald's. Aesthetics. Here, basically you have style reference seed. Just paste it here and let's create 4 images, 9x16. Let's see if it matches this. And here you can see we have 4 images in a similar style as this one. This might be a little bit brighter and more saturated. That's why this is a little bit lower quality, as you can see here, but still this looks really great. And if you don't want to create images, you can create videos. You can upload anything you want. So for example, I uploaded the ghost face and just animated really simple animations. You can even create something more complicated, more complex. And here are some other images that I basically created, a video of me. So yeah, that's basically how you can use Midjourney for free on meta.ai. It is not spot on, but it is like 90% as good as Midjourney. And you can create anything you want. There are no limits. So yeah, that's basically how you can use Midjourney for free. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe. Press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI tools, AI stuff like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.